Good afternoon. Thought I'd just do a little update after our last video of how the birds are all currently doing. There are those little hatchlings we had, the little chickens, and there's the baby ducks. They're all growing pretty well, pretty fast, making messes even faster. Every day you clean out bedding, clean water, clean food is a daily thing. And remember those meat bird chickens, how we got in 26 of them? We still have all 26. They're getting big. And again, fresh shavings daily, fresh water daily, fresh food daily. These guys get really messy. A lot in and a lot out. They grow fast. As you can see, they're starting to really feather out, but our weather is just still unpredictable enough that we're still keeping them in the brooders. Last night it got down to 33 degrees. So sometimes it's better just to wait another week. But you can see they're getting big. They've grown a lot, haven't they? They're not those cute little yellow fluffy things anymore. But they're doing very well. I need to bring in some grass farm, just a little, and some grit. And make sure when you get your fresh bedding, it's a low dust type bedding. You want to make sure they're not inhaling too much dust. They see they got so big, we had to put them in 2 separate totes. But growing like weeds. So they're eating flock raiser, so they'll grow fast. Oh, look who's giving me lip. Aren't they precious? They need to go wash their face, don't they? That's how their water gets so dirty. They have to wash their face so they can breathe. Everybody's doing well. There's no signs of pasty bud anywhere. That's something else you got to watch for, to make sure they keep clean bottoms, because you don't want them to get blocked off and not be able to go potty. This is still pretty much the easy part, making sure everybody stays clean, well fed, watered, and it all does pretty good. I have to admit, I've been raising layer chickens for many, many, many years. They're pretty easy, but when you're doing waterfowl like the ducks or meat bird chickens, it's a little bit more challenging. Because again, you know, they make bigger messes than the layer chickens, which then, you know, leads to more respiratory problems and well, they just stink. So if you have any questions for us, please feel free to reach out in the comments section. Have a great evening.